it's Lexi, and welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Lexi, and I do slime stuff and random things that are awesome. Like, I'm in my slime room right now, and as you can see, there's a lot of pictures all over the wall because I love painting. And so, yeah. And I have my slimes here with me today, and some squishies, and I'll be showing y'all some of my slimes and my squishies. So let's get started. Oh, and I almost forgot, my sister Paisley is gonna be doing this video with me. She might be doing squishies or slime. So, peace. So guys, this is my blueberry squishy. Next one. This is my volleyball squishy because it's very squishy and I like volleyball, so next one. I don't know why I got this one. It was just really cute and I thought I would want it, so yeah. Next to mine, I got this kitty cat donut one because I think my cousin gave it to me. It's super cute. Next one, there's a strawberry slime. Squishy. And yeah. That one, I got it because it's scented. This one was scented too, but the scent came away because there was strawberry here, and that was what making it scent. So, boop. So this is a purple clear slime that I made with my sister Paisley. Next one. Sorry guys, this is taking so long. It's hard to get out. Okay, so this is bubblegum slime that I made cotton candy slime and it was pink. Then Paisley put balls in it and it made bubblegum slime. My turn. This is a yellow greenish butter slime that I made with Marble Magic clay. Next one is this crunchy slime, and it's pigment, but on camera it really does not look pigment. Let's try to get it out. I can. Oh god. This is my favorite crunchy slime I have. Yeah, just satisfying. Sorry to keep bumping the camera. Next one is this white fluffy slime. That is so awesome and so beautiful. And it's so fluffy and glossy at the exact same time. So, yes. Sorry guys to say that was the last slime and the last squishy. So, bye guys. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and like this video. If you did not like it, it will not hurt my feelings. Bye.